Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 26th August 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, the Father, the ocean of knowledge, has come to rain this knowledge and make the earth green again. Heaven is now being established. In order to go there, you have to belong to the deity community. Question is, what main duty do you children, who belong to the most elevated clan, have? Answer. It is your constant duty to do elevated, spiritual service. While sitting here and walking and moving around, it is the duty of you most elevated Brahmins to make Bharat in particular, and the whole world in general pure. You have to become the Father's helpers by following Srimad. Song is, knowledge rains on those who are with the Beloved. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Become a teacher like the Father. Remove everyone from this land of falsehood with great tact, and make them worthy of going to the land of truth. Number 2. The company of the world is bad company. Therefore, move away from bad company and stay in the company of the one who is the truth. In order to claim a high status, busy yourself in this study. Follow the directions of the One Father. Blessing for today. May you offer everything you have for service as an incognito donor and a charitable soul. Details are, whatever service you do, continue to offer that for world benefit. On the path of devotion, incognito charitable souls think that they should donate everything for the benefit of everyone. In the same way, let every thought you have be offered for service. Never have any desire for doing something for yourself. Do service for everyone. Any service that becomes an obstacle is not said to be true service. Therefore, let go of doing anything for yourself and serve as a true incognito server and continue to benefit the world. Slogan is, surrender everything to God and you will experience any difficulties to come to be easy. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. In order to be an easy yogi, become experienced in God's love. At the beginning of the day, from Amrit Vela, imbibe God's love completely in your heart. When your heart is full of God's love, God's powers and God's knowledge, your attachment and love will not go to anyone else. When you have true love for the Father, the sign of true love is to be equal and karmtit. Do everything while being Karvanhar, one who makes everything happen, and make others to do the same. Never do anything while under the influence of your mind, intellect or sanskars.